Now let's talk about start and arc category. So for that, I will just simply go to this arc drop down button. Just let me just simply click on that, and let me just simply click on that drop down. And here, first of all, I will show you how you can use this start and angle. So let me just simply click on that. And after that, all I need is just to specify the start point, and after that end point, and after that I have to specify the angle. So let's say I want the angle as 45 degree. So let me just simply enter the numerical value as 45 and then hit enter. You can see we are getting this kind of shape. Now if you're not sure about this shape, what exactly it is, let me show you. So let me just simply click on this point, and you can see we are getting this center of this arc, and after that I will click on this point. So the angle that you are seeing between these two lines is 45 degree. That's why you are getting this kind of shape. Now let me just simply select and delete that. Now the next we have a start, end and direction. So I will go here to this arc drop down, click on this start and direction, simply click on that, and just simply specify the start point, end point, and there we have the direction. So you can see we are getting this dotted line, and this shows that this is the direction of the arc, whether you want to draw the arc in this direction, whether you want to draw the arc in this direction. So that's totally depend on you. So let's say I want to draw an arc in this direction or in that direction, just like this, let's say like that. So I can draw an arc like in this direction. Now let me just simply delete these two arcs. Now let's say I want an arc which will be tangent to this line. In that case, again I will go to arc, and then I will choose this one, start and then direction. I will click on this start, I will click on this end, and I will make sure that this dotted line overlaps with this existing solid line like this, and then I will click here. So you can see that this line is a tangent to this arc. You can see here. Similarly, like that, this line is also tangent to that, because the fact that these two lines are mirror of each other. Now let's talk about the last one, which is start in the radius in this category. So let me just simply click on that, and let me just simply first of all delete this, and I will go here, start and then radius. So here let me just simply click on the start point and then end point, and after that you have to specify the radius. You can see that this time I'm going from right to left. First I did click on this point, and then I'm clicking on this point, and after, let me just simply specify the radius. So let's say I just want to make a radius of 11, and then I will hit enter. You can see we made an arc of 11. Obviously you cannot go beyond 10, because the fact that the radius of this and the diameter between these 2 points is 20, and the radius of this line, if I just simply draw a circle, let me show you. Let me delete this line. If I draw a circle between these 2 points like this, you can see that the diameter of this circle is 20, because the length from this point to this point is 20. And if you just simply look at the center this point to this point is 10. So the radius is 10. You can also measure the radius from with the help of command as well. So you can just simply type di and then hit enter. Di and then hit enter. You can see if you measure the radius from this point to this point, you can see the radius is 10. Now if the radius is 10, it means that the smallest circle that you can make which will pass through these 2 points will be of radius 10. So that's how, if you are making arc and you want to make sure that the arc passes through these 2 points, in that case you need to make sure that whatever the radius you are going to input here will be greater than 10. So let me just simply delete this circle. There's something I would like to highlight here, that I have drawn that arc from this point to this point, from right to left. Let me just simply go here and show you again that I'm drawing this arc from the right point to left point, and you can see that I'm getting this arc at above this line. You can see here that I'm getting that arc above this line. It is because the fact that the AutoCAD is measuring that arc from the anti-clockwise direction. That's why we are getting an arc from the anti-clockwise direction. Let me just simply press escape, and if I just repeat the command, and if this time I will go from left to right, it will create an arc from the bottom side. You can see it is creating the arc in the bottom side. You can see here. Now just like that, let me just simply go here again and choose this start in radius. So this time I will go from this point to this point. Let me click on that, and you can see that now this one is creating an arc in the bottom side. You can see from the bottom side. Now let's say you want to draw an arc to the above side. In that case, you can just simply use the control button. You can press the control button and this will switch the direction to the opposite side, just like that. Let me just simply hold this. Now let's say you want to create an arc of 11 units to the opposite side. So first of all, you have to just simply enter 11. Let me just simply enter 11 here, and after that you have to press and hold the control key, and that will change the direction of this arc to the upper side like this. And after that you have to just simply press enter while pressing the control key, and you can see we have created an arc of 11 unit to the opposite direction. So this is a thing you need to keep in mind, that whenever you want to reverse the direction, you need to press the control key. Also, you can get the same information in the command line as well. If I just simply go to this start in radius, and if I just simply click here and here, and you will get the same. You can see hold control to switch direction. You will get the same command. You will get the same direction here as well. Now if you want to make this line to the shift to the downside, again I have told you, you can just simply press control, and that will just shift this arc to the bottom side like this. So let me just simply press escape. So this is all about start and arc category.